If you are failing math, this free AI tool might just save your grade. Seriously.
The pressure from these big exams is no joke, especially when it comes to mathematics.
And in uni, failing a core course can set you way back. It's a legit fear for students. But what if you had a study partner that's there 24/7 using only your class notes?
Okay, let's get into it. This is NotebookLM, and trust me, it's not just another chatbot.
Here's the most important part. It's source-grounded. It only uses information you upload. So unlike other AIs, this one can't just make stuff up. No hallucinations, period. You're basically turning it into an expert on your specific curriculum. Pretty cool, right? Getting started is super easy. Just go to the site, make a new notebook, and upload your stuff. Okay, let's put it to the test with something tough, like calculus. Here's a problem.
Now, instead of just getting the answer, we're going to ask it to actually teach us the concept.
You can even tell it to act like a teacher, which is perfect for simplifying tricky ideas. And just like that, it'll break down the concept using only your notes, step by step.
Understanding is great, but to pass exams, you need practice, and this is where it gets good.
You can literally ask it to make practice problems based on the examples in your textbook.
Need even more? It has this studio feature that creates instant study aids for you.
Yep, in just one click, you can get quizzes, flashcards, study guides, the whole shebang.
You can even have it create a mock test, and it'll tell you the exact page for each answer.
This is a total game changer. It turns passive reading into active studying. Huge difference. So what you have is a personal study coach that literally never gets tired. It's always ready. The point is, you can finally study smart, not just hard. This helps you take control.
So, what's that one subject you're struggling with? Go on, give this a try.